The 13th play is a nose smash. So we're back to striking in the places of pain, or the places of most danger. And Fiore explicitly says that this works well in armor. I'm assuming that's because if the visor is open, you actually smash in the nose and you get the same effect. Or if the visor is closed, and particularly if it's locked closed, you can use the whole visor as a lever to crank your partner's head back. So be careful if you're doing this in armor. So the setup is she has her arms around my waist. We're both right foot forward. And I mean, I can go for this sort of thing, but she's too strong. So I get both hands under the nose, and I use that to break her grip. It's nasty, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Now, the way I'm doing it, I'll suggest you practice this on yourself first, is I'm doubling my hands out, and I'm using the web right in the septum here, and the other hand is on top, so it's doubled, and it just shoves everything back. So right foot forward, she's got me around the waist. I get both hands under there, and gently shove back. Okay, and from there, of course, you can go into all sorts of other things.